They're not supposed to be here, right? Bonito at the start of winter, water temps in the low 60s. Everything I've heard says that this is the time when they head to warmer waters. But here we are. I haven't caught a Bonito in over a month, and then bam, this happens.
Stick around because I'm also going to prepare a spicy Bonito hand roll that you'll definitely want to make with your next catch. Let's go.
Come on, come on.
I was casting for about 10 minutes when I noticed something in the distance.
All right, I see boils happening over there. Gotta get out there. Right there. They're out there, guys. Look at that. Hope I can get there in time before they stop. A little difficult to pinpoint exactly where. There it is, right there. Right in front of me. Here goes nothing. I think it was right here. You see him? Did you see it? Yeah. Oh, here we go. We got him right here. Got one. Couple casts in right in front. Yes. Right here. Oh, that was exciting. So cool. Ooh, this one's pulling really good. This one's pulling really good. Yep. Let's see. Let's check him out here. Let's check him out. Looks really big in the wall. Oh, came off. Came off. All right, let's try again. Just came off at the end. That was almost a picture perfect scenario. Coming out here, seeing the boils, casting into it, getting the fish. Until the very end when I couldn't land him and he just came off. Darn it. Well, it just kind of goes to show you, you always want to keep your eyes peeled when you're out here. You know, look for activity anywhere you can so you can toss into it and hopefully get a fish. Very disappointing. But you got to see the positive is that they're out here. So that's the positive you can take away from something like that. A little heartbreaking, but it's part of the game. Got to go through a little heartbreak every once in a while. In fishing and in life. Take note, kids. Well, that's it. No more fish, no more bites. Completely dead today. Other than that 30 seconds of adrenaline I got when I was running down the jetty to chase those boils, and I casted into it and hooked on the fish. That would have been perfect if I'd landed it. I saw it right near the rocks here, and then it just unbuttoned itself at the last minute. So that was a big bummer. There are a ton of fish right here. I don't know what they are, but there's a lot of them. Right here at the shore, they're jumping. It might be mullet, but I'm gonna throw something in here. I hope we're catching something. All right, I'm just gonna throw some shrimp out there. Got this circle hook. Thread this through, and I've got some magic thread that I'm gonna use so it doesn't come off. I mean, it still has a very high likelihood of coming off even with this magic thread, but I'm gonna put it on anyways just to secure it on a little bit more. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I'm just watching them. There's like a school of them right here. I don't know what they are. Right near shore, right there. I don't know, mullet maybe? A ton of them. I'm gonna see if they're takers, but man, look at that, all over the place. All right, got some bites here, some small bites. All right, I got some small nibbles here. They're not really committing to it. All right, looks like they're not going for it for whatever reason. Maybe they're mullet and they just don't go for shrimp. I'm not sure. All right, if these are mullet, I don't think they're gonna care about this lure one way or another, but I've got to give it a try because there's so many of them. It would be a shame if I didn't give all the options a try. So far they didn't like the shrimp or didn't care too much about the shrimp. Let's see, they're interested in a little fish swimming by them. All right, that didn't work either. All right, I'm just gonna continue on my way up the jetty, but I just had to give that a shot because they are everywhere. Put another piece of shrimp on.
Hey, look, my friend.
No, nothing. How about, did you just get here? Yeah.
Unlucky, huh?
Yeah.
Nothing, huh?
Not yet. I'm gonna try something nutty here since I didn't bring extra hooks for the bait. I lost that one. I'm gonna try bait and weight with this Castmaster at the bottom. This is the only hook I have. Got these trebles. Yeah, that's a unorthodox presentation for sure. I don't think they're gonna mind. I think they're gonna go for it. What do you think? Just gonna let that sink to the bottom. See if there's any takers. Big bite there. I just can't get them. I can't get them to commit. I think there's just little fish that are going for it. Took it off. Ah. Got one. All right. Got a fish. Who would have thought this rig would have caught a fish? But here we are. Got here a little sand bass. Caught a sand bass in a long time. Sorry about that, buddy. All right, well, as wacky as that rig looks, it works. I'm getting constant bites actually off of it. They just care about what's at the end of this thing. Got one. All right. This I know is not seaweed. There we go. What is that? Oh, it's mackerel. Big mackerel. Here we go. I wanted to catch a mackerel actually because haven't caught a mackerel in a very long, well, that's not true. It's just we've been catching so many bonito that it's a nice change of pace to catch the mackerel. Oh, nice. Very nice. It's a great size one too. Hopefully the evening bite is hot and we can get on the fish. We've got about a little over an hour till the sun sets, and we'll have some residual light after that. So we don't have too much time to fish. All right, Liam's on. Oh, that looks like a good one. Look at that rod bend. Yeah. Oh, it's a barracuda. A barracuda. All right, let me help you out. I've never caught a barracuda before. Sweet.
You eat a barracuda? That was fun.
Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness.
Definitely pretty sharp mouth, right?
Yeah, they got very sharp teeth. Here, hold this up like this.
Hopefully it didn't fall.
Look at that. That's a nice sized barracuda, I think. That's like what, 14 inches, 16 inches?
Yeah, I think so.
Sweet.
Can we keep this? Can we please keep it?
No, there's something in it that dangerous to eat.
Can't you like bleed it out? Oh, bummer. I guess it's through the eye. You have to keep it. That's that.
Oh,
That's
nice. Barracuda. I've never caught one before. That's cool. It's a cool looking fish. Slimy thing, but really cool. But okay. Just throw it in like a football.
throw it in there.
Careful, it's slippery there.
He eventually slid into the water, so he's okay.
We could cross off another species from our list of fish to catch. Yeah, I got one. Here we go. We're on. Oh, yeah. Yes, good one. Come on, come on. I see it, I see it. Right there. Yes.
Next one. Oh, that's nice. Like I said.
Oh, it's a mackerel.
Oh,
Gigantic mackerel.
oh, wait, that's what they're catching. Oh.
I haven't caught a mackerel this big, I want to say, ever. This is actually the biggest mackerel I've ever caught. And it fought like a bonito, that's for sure. So that's cool. Look at that guy. Oh!
That was big too.
Came off. All right, we're on. What do we got here? This evening fishing is turning out to be really fun. I gotta get it over this rock. I gotta get it over. Just gotta tighten this drag. It's too loose. Another huge mackerel. Another one, guys. Look at the size of these mackerels that are out here. This is incredible. Having so much fun during the evening bite right now. We have to head back very soon because as you can see, the sun is setting, but man, look at this mackerel. That's awesome. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, it's pulling now. Don't come off. Is that a bonito? What's up? It's a bonito. Two bonitos, guys. Check. This is the last thing I thought I'd catch right now. Guys, check it out. My first double up on a bonito. Bonito, believe it or not. I thought they were completely gone, but they are apparently still here. It's my first time ever doubling up on them. Well, what do you know? They're still out here. It's been a while. I think it's been over like a month since I caught a bonito. More than a month. Are we on again? Yes, right here. Wow. All right, let's see here. Get down a little closer. Okay. Now the question is, have we doubled up again? This feels like pretty good. I see two of them. Here we go. Two more. Two more. We're one away from our limit. I haven't gotten limits on bonito ever, so it's gonna be a big moment if I can get a total of 5. That'll be so cool. Limits for bonito in California, for bonito that are under 24 inches, which is what these are, is a limit of 5. Hey guys, before I forget, please like and subscribe when you have the chance. I really enjoy making these videos for you, and your support really helps me out. So thank you very much, and let's get back to the video. Today I'm going to show you my favorite way of having raw fish. Yeah, nigiri and sashimi are nice and rolls are fun, but this simple way, which is common in Japanese households, is hands down my favorite way to enjoy raw fish. Keep watching and I'll explain why as we go along.
First, let's fillet the fish. If you're new to filleting, Bonito is super easy. No scales, soft flesh, doesn't take long at all. And since we're having it raw, gotta take out the pin bones that go down the center. The only thing that makes filleting Bonito difficult is removing the skin. First, because the meat is so soft, and secondly, because the skin is so thin. So while it looks mangled, it doesn't matter here because we're chopping it up anyways, and this texture is actually perfect for this dish. Let's put that in a bowl and add some sriracha, mayonnaise, and give that a stir. I've got a piece of nori here that I'm going to fill with sushi rice, a slice of avocado, our spicy bonito, and then I'll top that with chives. I prefer this over regular sushi rolls and even traditional hand rolls because it's not packed too tightly, which gives the ingredients a little space to breathe and keeps that seaweed crunchy with every bite.